GT3 or GTS, which should we take? We're actually taking the Audi. I'm sorry. Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. And welcome back to the beautiful state of Michigan. That's right. We're still in Michigan. We were supposed to be here for 4 hours. It's now been 72 hours. And that's because if you did not see the last video of my Hellcat swap Gladiator reveal, it didn't quite go as planned. Within 9 minutes, I proceeded to blow up the rear axle doing a fat burnout, which was quite impressive, quite smoky. Look at the color on that Lamborghini Aventador S. No way. Okay, so we're gonna shortly follow him. Not for too long because I know how that can be. That color is so good, jeez. We've arrived back here to America's Most Wanted. This is it. This is the burnout that completely blew the axle. Right before I did the burnout, like I knew there was a probability I might blow the axle. I mean, I have a Hellcat on 40s with stock axle. Like I knew it was possible, but I was like, if it happens, we'll just replace it and I'll be on my way. Never did I imagine it would be impossible to find the replacement parts. We have searched for 40 hours. Spicer Parts out of Tennessee saved the day. They overnighted the new parts here to America's Most Wanted. They arrived this morning. We should be able to get it reinstalled, the Jeep back on the road, and hopefully to Chicago tonight. All the way from the beautiful state of Tennessee. Like these parts, they do not exist anywhere in the world except for Tennessee. So this is the one that sheared off right here, and this one is good to go. It sounds so good. Do we see a fat burnout right here, right now? Absolutely. Yeah, that's it. And it was a joke, guys. No burnouts, no donuts, nothing until I get home. It is official. We are headed off to Chicago. Wait for it. Yes, finally. We are finally on the road back to Utah. Massive shout out to America's Most Wanted. I am so excited. We have officially made it further than ever before. The biggest concern is any type of hard launch or burnout. I can accelerate. Obviously, I'm still like a little bit nervous because of what happened, but we're gonna do a mild acceleration. It sounds so good. That's like 10% throttle, maybe. The supercharger whine is awesome. The Gladiator before the Hellcat got like 9 miles to the gallon. I wonder what it's gonna get now. 93 octane isn't readily available in Utah, and so the Hellcat is actually tuned for 91 octane. 273 miles, 4 hours and 11 minutes to Chicago, Illinois, and we're sat here in traffic. So we're headed to Chicago tonight, then south to Texas the next day. We'll be there Monday, Tuesday, New Mexico on Wednesday, and I think Utah on Thursday. Yeah, we got 3,829 miles. That's sort of like our baseline. Brand new Hellcat engine. The Elephant engine is still coming. It just has not arrived. They were supposed to arrive in June. It's now August. I'm hearing September, maybe October, maybe November, but as soon as the Elephant does arrive, we'll swap out the Hellcat for the Elephant, coming to a vlog, kind of sort of near you, hopefully in 2019. I don't know how to really say this, but I think we're averaging about 6. Yep, that's right, 6. Welcome here to the beautiful state of Illinois, and welcome to Chicago. GPS is telling us to go that way, but there's a tunnel this way, so we don't really have a choice. We gotta let that car get some distance. Hit it. The brakes though. Boys, we need upgraded brakes ASAP. We need new axles and new brakes. We're just out here chasing views on views. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I wish you guys could be here. It sounds insane. It's like embarrassingly loud. The Sears Tower at one point was the tallest building in the world. Now, of course, the Burj Khalifa is, but it's still pretty sick. Chicago is so cool. The man, the myth, the legend. What's up, dude?
What is up? This thing looks ridiculous.
Doesn't it? Aston Martin DB11 right there next to the slingshot. So we're going to a viewpoint to get some 6 shots of the Gladiator, and obviously we're going to accelerate right here. We're not even going that fast, it's just loud. This would be a case of never doubt Fulson. We got to get the shot. This lady needs to get out of the way. Hello. Excuse me, pardon me. We're not like 100% allowed to be here, but if we get our shots and we get lost quick, I think we'll be fine. We're just out here chasing views on views. Check that out. the Chicago skyline. We got the purple Gladiator, Sears Tower right there. I apologize, it's very, 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 very windy, but we're gonna go get Alex's Murcielago. We're meeting up with a Gallardo, so. Oh, what's up? Your Lambo's not broken, and my Jeep's not broken.
Made it to Chicago without breaking another axle.
This is the, bro, this is the first time our cars have ever been together and they're both working.
This is true.
Cross our fingers. We're gonna break something tonight, for sure. We are officially living in Fast and the Furious Chicago style right here. We got underglow on the Huracan. You guys might remember I hit a raccoon in my Aventador, completely ripped my underglow. I need to get it back on the car soon. It looks so, so sick. Yep, this is happening, boys. They're coming from all directions. I think our time here in Chicago might be, well, our time in the suburbs, we're headed to the city. I just wanted to point out, I'm the only Jeep at the meet, but we're missing a V12. Like, we got a V10, sure, twin turbo, single turbo, but we need a V12, and Alex has a V12. So we're gonna hop in the Jeep, and we're gonna go get the V12 because, we need a V12. That is a cold startup on the straightaway from Chicago. It's 12:08 a.m. Sorry. Dumping the Gladiator here. We'll be back someday, but it's mercy time. Mr. Sheep, look at all these children in their V10s. Get a V12. Buy a V12. Get a V12. Alex is a madman. What does he have in that thing? There's just nothing like a Murcielago. Every time I ride one of these, I say that, but it's so true. They got Matt again. No. You guys, everybody is so welcome. To all the folks that sleep in that apartment building, that's for you guys. Alex's $800 gas cap for the Murcielago right there. Oh, we're good. We're good.
Oh, no, we're not.
No, yes.
Oh, okay, but I can hold it.
Yeah, you got it. 4:33 a.m. 11:33 a.m. We are headed to St. Louis, and the door's locked. Honestly, like, I don't really want to talk about it, okay? I don't.
Proceed to the route.
I will. I get it, this whole vlog has been at the gas station, guys, but that's just what it's like to get gallons per mile. Yes, that's right, gallons per mile. I don't think we've ever been here on the vlog before. We got the Gateway Arch right there. Yeah, we gotta get some cool Jeep photos with that. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome here to beautiful St. Louis, Missouri. We're just out here chasing views on views. We got the Mississippi River, but the Gladiator's just flexing on the nation right now. Unfortunately, we don't have time for the elevator tram. Someday we will. I've actually been up in it. It's so, so cool. If you ever come to St. Louis, highly recommend. But we are headed to Texas right now. That thing is like 500 plus feet tall. Pretty amazing piece of engineering marvel. Gladiator's just chilling, but we are headed, one last view of the St. Louis Arch. We are headed to San Antonio, Texas. 13 hours, 16 minutes, 904 miles. No! Okay, so that's a cool view, but yeah, we got 13 hours. Hit it! We have arrived here to Springfield, Missouri, Quality Inn & Suites. So I just got an email from my architect. We got the final version of my new house, and check this out. We got this cool 3D model. So I'm gonna set you guys on the backpack. All right, so this is gonna be the front of the house. We'll have the main door right there, the main garage door, second story apartment, and then the secondary garage over there. But if we scoot over to here, we can actually see it without the roof on it, so we can get a good look at the layout. So over on this side, we got car storage, we got a bathroom, we got a stairwell down to a basement. This basement right here, that's where will be like general storage, maybe some workout equipment. Then we have the second story apartment. This is gonna be the main bedroom, main bathroom, secondary bedroom and bathroom, and then over here is the kitchen. Sorry, the program's a little bit difficult to use, but kitchen right here, living room right here, you can see the glass floor right there. That's gonna look down on the Aventador. And then right here, we got the rock climbing wall that you'll be able to use from the bottom floor to the second story floor. And this is the office. You got the glass wall looking over the cars. So we'll be able to park 9 cars in like the showroom garage. And then the secondary garage, this is where the Jeep will go. If I get a boat, whatnot, this will be kind of like general storage, project cars, whatnot. We're gonna have barn doors right here that will connect the 2 garages. So when this is like looking really dirty, you can close them. If it's looking cool or you need to move cars, whatnot, you can open them up. Obviously, we'll have a door from the office to that secondary garage. So yeah, this is kind of it in a nutshell. We have obviously the back deck with the spiral staircase. We'll be able to put a hot tub up there, barbecue down here. So what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. This is effectively the final version. So these drawings are being sent off to the engineer. He'll need like 2 to 3 weeks. And then once I buy a piece of land, like construction can start almost immediately. So yeah, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. Tomorrow we are headed off to San Antonio, Texas. We're filming there on Monday. On Tuesday we're backtracking to Houston. Wednesday, New Mexico. Thursday, probably Utah. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, like squad, be sure to smash that like button. But just like that, this vlog is over, and I'm out.